Only project from Bangladesh. Project name Low Cost Smart Gain Silo Management System by Institute of Diploma Engineers.
Good afternoon, my dear respected judges and all of here in this room. We are from Bangladesh to present our project Low Cost Smart Grain Silo Management System. This is myself Abdullah Al Araf, and I am the student of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and my teammate Rahatuddin, he is from Electrical and Electronics Department from Tripoli. So, next slide. So, this is our team, our supervisor MD Anisur Rahman, project supervisor, curator, Bangladesh National Museum of Science and Technology. So, this is our project outline, background, project objective, methods, results, project market, implementation project, project limitation, and future work. Next slide. The problem is every year 1.3 billion tons food are waste after the post-harvest. So, it's a huge problem in our food security. Next slide. In Bangladesh, 5% food wasted after post-harvest due to the lack of infrastructure and technological solution, because our farmers are not so much not illiterate. That's why they don't know how to manage their crops in after the post-harvest. That's why we face huge problem in these sectors. And then why it is important, because we know when we store our crop, it depends on the basically moisture, temperature, and also the some carbon dioxide gases. So the 14 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit, it's a bit dangerous zone for crops crops waste, and for that reason within 20 minutes bacteria are grown in the crops if the temperature level is decreased or increased this level. Next slide. So the objective of our project is real-time monitoring and early detection of issues, remote access and alerts, cost effectiveness, predictive maintenance. Next slide. So we are developing a prototype device which is include in a DST sensor and also a DS108-2B20 sensor and also a DC motor. Because of when the temperature level is decrease or increase the standard level, our device will be active and sends the data to farmers or storage manager to take the necessary step for his silo, and also automatically the blower fan will be started after this situation happening. And this is our proposed workflow. For the first start, establish connection between controller and cloud. Then sensor takes data. If sensor value yes, then send. If the data, the risky data, the sensor sends SMS the registered mobile number, and if no, display data in app. Next slide. So this is our the proposed silo where we say we put our sensors, and the result will be shown in the mobile app. Next slide. And for cloud management, we used ThinkSpeak. This is the software you all know for managing the IoT data and visualize the data analytics. Next. So this is our mobile application. When the farmers have a mobile app, he will get the data. He is the condition of his silo and what is the condition of his crops in storage system. The testing implementation in our lab, we test, this is a test result, 7 hours testing result for a paddy rice. We see this settings was not based on any grain storage condition, just test effectiveness and sensitivity of the developed system. And this is our test data from our cloud. This is when 1 p.m. the silo temperature 35%. And the grain temperature is 32. This is how the data, and the prototype price is it will be $150 for a full product price will be. And in Bangladesh we have a 64.1% agriculture and 16.5 million farmers family. So it's a big market for the in here. Next, the international market also we have a big market, because of in 2032 the food processing market equipment market is 69.8 billion it will be goes. And this is our implementation process. So we will give our IoT device to our farmers. First of all, we will give it subscription based. This is our future work business model. And then they will set up it we analyze the data and we will give them the feedback. And this is our work lab in our institute. We are trying to make this prototype. So the project limitation is for the cloud management right now we are using the third-party app like ThinkSpeak, but that's why we just only get the limited features. Also now we are using the local sensors. So here we need to use the industry gate sensor to get the better result. And the future work plan, currently we just measure the temperature, but in future we will use the moisture sensor and also gas sensor, which is take more accurate decision for our silo manager. And so in the end of the presentation we need to tell post harvest food loss is a leading cause of food insecurity for millions family across the world. Achieving zero hunger by 2030 will require that no more food waste lost the wasted. So we hope by using this project we will be achieve this target, and it's very important for our country. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your presentation. Okay, are you ready?
Sure.
From your presentation, I understand that now you are trying to develop the environmental monitoring system for the agricultural product, right?
Yes.
And I want to know a little bit more clearer about the target group or the customer of your project. Who is the customer or the target group?
Exactly. Our first target customer is our farmers, because of when they cut their crops from the field, they will store in their house or a special place. Basically, in rainy season, they face huge problem for the flood damage. The moisture level is being increased. That's for that reason there are lots of bacteria grown there. That's why the farmers is our main customer right now.
Okay, salam. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wow, what an extraordinary presentation. Many information coming into my brain. What do you think?
I think the presentation is very amazing. I can even take my eye out.